Pretty well-known concept out there, and it's a simple one, but it's a critical one because it's really the core difference between the rich and the poor. The poor, simply enough, the mindset is to graduate, go get a job to make money, make as much money as you possibly can. The better degree I have, the better job, the more money I have, the more likely or ability I am to buy things that make me happy. The rich go to the exact same process, but they add in one additional step, which is absolutely critical. They produce money. Now, sometimes that's about going to school, sometimes it doesn't, it just kind of depends. They get money, they then go purchase assets. That's the key. Those assets give them cash flow. Think of a rental, think of stocks. You invest in something, that investment gives you a return on investment, cash flow. They take that cash flow or money, then they go purchase the things that make them happy. That's a critical point. This is a life of living paycheck to paycheck because you always have to be working and making money to buy your happiness. In this case, you work for a certain period of time, you purchase enough assets, but when you have enough assets that produce you enough money to buy the things that are happy, very simple, no more working, you just simply live off the assets. That's the difference in getting and achieving financial freedom and not. That's the difference between the poor and the rich.